बाहर आई है।
रात में आएगा ना, है ना? ठीक है। आजा मेरी पुनीत।
अब छोड़ दे करना तो भुला के लिए भाले के है चढ़वा से खेता में डाल के तार से सब तार से बांधा कलर वाला मुन्नी छोड़ करके छोड़ दे।
उधर सेंटर बना देते ना उस गेट से क्या घुमाना पड़ेगा इस तरफ से जाएगी वहीं से गाड़ी
Nice to meet you again on this occasion. Better than this. He's learning English. Come with me. Pick up somewhere.
Yes.
You have a dictionary.
No, Google.
How I ever see. Now we say instead of God save us, we say God save us.
Yes, very good.
It is very, and we need as we start, you know. So we need decoration and a little bit joyful. So she's doing this. She's taking our voice.
Great.
Oh, we are very happy. I am jealous. Because you are learning some words in English, but no one in French. And also,
चलते चलते पत्थरों पर मारते थे ठोकर, कभी हंसकर चलते तो कभी चलते थे रोकर। कंधे पर बैग लिए, हाथ में बोतल पानी। This evening, it is heartening to inform you that 100% children are participating in the show this evening. This calls for a round of applause. I take great pleasure in welcoming Dr. Jean Pere, Director of Mamiji Educational Welfare Trust, and Ms. Tanya, who has come from Russia, who has kindly consented to be the chief guest for our annual day. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to welcome our chief guest. I now request our school student to please present a bouquet to our chief guest. New aspirations and new scope. We welcome you at this. Please clap.
Climbing.
Please give them a round of applause.
There's a camera.
Honorable Chief Guest Dr. Jean Perret, Director, Mammi Ji Educational Trust, Ms. Tania, she has come long the way from Russia to India just to attend our annual day program, what I perceive. Dear parents, those who have spare time to be the part of this event, teachers and lovely children from our school, a warm welcome to all who have gathered here. This is second annual day which Ms. Sangeeta declared. Last year we had annual day in the month of February. The theme was Akbar Birbal Ki Nok Chhok. This time the theme is, anybody can tell what is the theme of this annual day program? Navras. And for parents also we have made arrangements so that they can easily perceive what is the theme of this event, of this evening. Taking lessons from last year, our activities, scholastic, co-scholastic areas, we tried to improve, and we did so. Just will have a glance of this year's activities. I'm really sorry that projector is not on yet. Starting from the month of April, there was summer camp for the children where they learned many things. They developed their skill. Then after, we had karate camp for neighboring children, and that was totally free of cost. Furthermore, cricket tournament that was organized in this school, and I'm very happy to say that 14 schools participated in that. Though our children, they were the part of only friendly match because of the age criteria, how to compete with the opponent team. Apart from this non-academic or co-scholastic areas, we did many things in scholastic areas too. We conducted Olympiad exam in which almost 80% students participated. We are waiting for the result, and as soon as we'll get the result, we'll definitely share with all the parents. For showing their artistic skill, we conducted camel art competition where our children, they took part and they showed their artistic skill in the form of drawing, sketching, painting. After that, this year we planned 2 mega events where our children, they got exposure to. First was, there was a campaign by Microsoft, Create to Inspire. Our school children, they participated in that. They performed many activities as per their guidelines. They are going to showcase their work very soon as per the dates which will be announced by them. After annual day, as I have shared with all the parents, especially with PTA members, that we are now a part of British Council. and we have applied for certificate program in our school. This certificate is awarded by British Council. I think most of the parents might be aware about that. This is again a program where our children will get exposure to international learning. We believe that children should not be restricted to books and notebooks. They should know what all things are happening out of country. They should think out of box. So in that program, British Council, which I am talking about, our children will perform many activities, they will learn, and finally school will get certification from British Council. This year we have thought of certificate program. Coming year we'll go for International School Award. This is all about the things which we are currently doing or we have done. Now, coming to... Okay, it is not visible. All right. Coming year, we'll definitely try to add many things in our curriculum, whether it's scholastic or co-scholastic. Few things I'll definitely tell in the month of January or in the month of February. We are going to have inter-school dance competition. We are in process of organizing winter camp the way we had summer camp for the children. And few more exams, maybe Olympiad, quiz competition, spell bee. In totality, I would say students must learn. Whatever the methodology we are going to follow doesn't matter at all. Our main target, how a child will learn. And for that, all the events, activities, teaching, learning, everything is done. In this, I'm very thankful to all my parents for their support and cooperation. Nowadays, we believe that a child can learn, or this is also proved by some researches, a child can learn better if parental involvement is more. So, parents are more valuable once we are talking about growth of a child. That's why every time or everywhere, wherever we feel, we invite parents, we promote open and transparent communication with all the parents, and the same for the children too. We believe these students are our faces in the society. They are representing one Poda. Each child is representing our school. We don't rely only on few children. Everyone is reflecting the image of our school. And so on. We are nurturing them with support of our parents so that they should excel in their life. It doesn't matter which field they are going in. Whatever field they are opting in future, they must be the leader in that field. They must excel in that field. Will not give guarantee that every child will be in X field or every child will be in Y field. Fields are many. In modern scenario, we have endless scope, whether in the field of education, whether in the field of medical, whether in the field of administration, engineering, space technology, lot many things are there. Our children will definitely excel in their field. With these words, I again welcome to all my parents, guests, teachers, support staff, and my lovely children. Thank you. Over to Sangeeta.
Very nice. This is a very good welcome. Good evening for all of you. Oh, so I should look, no? Thank you. We are feeling very great with the fireworks pitches like this. So, I'm very happy to be again with you, because it is not the first time that I am sharing with you in Podar School. I have come to quite all events, the events our Director G was talking about, and it is always with a great pleasure that I accept to come and share with you here. It is for me an honor to be with you. Why? Because this school is going always on progress. Every time I am coming, I see that something else is done to evolve, to make your children here evaluate. So I am always very happy. There are very good ideas, and all what is related to education is very well respected and with a very good thinking. That's why I like to be here with you, because what is good, we have always to promote it. And it is for me a very good example, and I want in my school to do the same and to follow your example here. So the parents, I think you can be proud to have your children here. When I came the first time, there were only 50 children, I think, if I remember good. And now you are the double or the triple, huh? Yes, so this is a good sign also. But education, of course, is something very, very much important. And for the children, I want to tell you that you have to build this education in you, this knowledge in you. It is, you have to do it very, very seriously. Because even it is serious, it can be joyful, very joyful to learn many things. And in your school you are doing competitions, and this also, it is very interesting to evaluate your value and in front of the others. So you have to continue like this. Education is very, very important in life. Without education, you are a miserable person. But in education, when we talk about education, there are two sides. There is the side, your Director G was talking, it is the side, the scholar side. That means what you are learning here with the books, with the help of your teachers, with the help of your, I don't know, trainers and so and so. All this is one part of yourself. But there is another part in the education, to build build yourself and to be a very good human being. It is a little bit like, suppose I am taking as example one car. Okay? There are two wheels in one side and two wheels in the other side. But if the car has only two wheels in one side, it will fall down. It will not continue to run in a good way. Okay? So, as well in the human being, even we are very small, up to the end of our life, there are two sides that we have to learn in this life to be a holistic person. Holistic, that means unified person. And to be in front of the universe and in front of your friends, your families, your every other human being, to be strong, to be in kindness, to be in a loving attitude with all of them. So the other side is this, to build yourself as a very good human being. And for this, it is by respecting the moral values and to apply them day by day. Not just talking with the lips, but apply. It is not very easy for the children to apply every day because you are children and you have to experience. But anyway, if you have a good guidance of your parents, as you told, it is very important the collaboration with the parents. If the parents are guiding their children in this moral way, and in the school it is the same, all the staff giving a very good example and guiding the children also in the moral way. So at that time we will see that the behavior is very important. What you are doing, any action you are doing will have a consequence. Any action you are doing, there is one cause, but there is also one consequence. If you are doing good, the consequence will be very good. If you are doing bad, the consequence will be very wrong. Okay? In India we are telling there is good karma and there is bad karma. If you are doing bad, after you will get a bad karma. We don't know when, but it will come. And that is my meaning. One child has to build himself by constructing the second part also, as well as the scholar part. But the human part, it is a spiritual part inside each person. The spiritual part we have never to forget. So, I have seen what you are doing. I am sure that tonight there will be a very good program. So I wish all of you to enjoy this program and all the best to continue for all the team with the children here.
Full speech. Our young performers are waiting excitedly for the show to begin. But before we commence, we have a few requests. Everyone kindly be seated through the performance and please refrain from using your mobile phones. You can switch your phones on the silent mode so that the children are not distracted during the performance. The school has arranged for photographs to be taken, so please refrain from taking photographs as this would also distract students from their performance. We have made arrangements for a smooth dispersal after the show, so dear parents, please be seated when the show gets over. Please do not be in a hurry, pick your child in the middle of the show. Announcement will be made for the order of dispersal once the show gets over. I assure you that our teachers are taking good care of your children, so sit back and enjoy the show. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to Puneet and Akansha to proceed the program further. Thank you and enjoy the show.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening to everyone who are present here. Human life is a rich fabric that given color and texture by many happenings that shapes it. The mundane action that characterized every day as well as the extraordinary happenings that make and keep our life interesting are all the threads that get woven together from the tapestry. The one thing that is common to all these threads is the fact that they evoke feeling in us. We respond to them with our emotions before they can become a part of our internal life. Indeed, life can be thought of as continuous sequence of emotions that arise in various contexts and circumstances. These emotions or rush are what give life different hues, shades and colors. Today we try to bring to you a flavor of each of these 9 rushes, explaining what each one means and presenting it to you through various forms. Thank you.
With a song by Rakesh sir, please give him a huge round of applause. And our show will begin when it will be a little bit dark. So we will first begin with a song by Rakesh sir. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. There are so many parents are present here, and I would like to thank those who are coming here. Thank you. मैं सबसे पहले किशोर कुमार का गीत सुनाना चाहता हूँ. आज तो यहाँ पे इंस्ट्रूमेंट प्लेयर नहीं है, लेकिन अभी नेट का दौर इतना ज़्यादा चल गई है कि नेट से भी लोग कैरोके डाउनलोड करके गा देते हैं. तो सबसे पहले एक किशोर कुमार का गीत, एक पुराने फिल्म से ताल्लुकात रखता हुआ गीत मैं पेश कर रहा हूँ. थोड़ी सी तालियां चाहूँगा इस महफिल में. शुक्रिया. मंजिलों पे आके लुटते हैं दिलों के कारवां, कश्तियां साहिल पे अक्सर डूबती है प्यार की. मंजिलें अपनी जगह है, रास्ते अपनी जगह. जब कदम ही साथ ना दे तो मुसाफिर क्या करे. सफर भी है मेरा, जगह। जब कदम भी साथ ना दे तो मुसाफिर क्या करे। मंजिलें अपनी जगह है, रास्ते अपनी जगह। हाँ जी, मैं ये माइक हैंड ओवर करना चाहूँगा संगीता मिस को ऑन द स्टेज। थैंक यू
सर, प्लीज।
Why not for a program now of the children? Miss Sangeeta.
Okay, sir, we will begin the program.
Arey Tharo, have you completed the work which I asked you to do? I have finished the sculpture you had asked me to complete. Good. I'll check and let you know about your work. What about you? Did you complete the painting? I need to deliver it to the customer tomorrow.
No, sir. Still, I have to get finishing touch to it. I have kept for drawing. Tomorrow, first thing in the morning, I will complete it and it will be ready by afternoon.
Good job. बहुत बढ़िया.
Don't, please.
Who was that?
Me. I don't like being alone in the dark.
Is this real or am I imagining this? This is real. Please look at me. Was it you?
Yes, master. It was me.
But can you speak?
I have wanted to speak for a long time. बस आज मैं बोल पाई.
But you are only a statue. How can you speak?
A statue, yes, but not for long. Inside me beats a heart that desires to be a human.
You are made of clay from the earth. I made you with my own hands. You cannot be human. ये कैसे हो सकता है? Yes, but as you found me, I felt the touch of your hand when you shaded my eyes. When you made my ears, I listened to you speaking to yourself or humming a tune. And as you walked and my body took shape, I felt my heartbeat within me too. Now I long to be human, just like you. मैं आपकी तरह इंसान बनना चाहता हूँ।
ये कैसे हो सकता है? It's just not possible. I must be going mad.
क्यों? क्या हुआ? Is it so hard to believe? Ever since you have led me here, I have longed to get up, to talk to you, to walk with you, to live a life like you do. क्या ये हो नहीं सकता?
But we humans are different. Even the other living creatures, the plant and the animals are different from us.
Tell me, how are the other living things different from you? They have shape, you have shape, I have shape.
They breathe.
Touch me. Put your hand on my chest. Do you not feel my body rising and falling?
They eat.
Every day I see you eating. Your food smells so yum. I wish to eat, and I don't think so. It will be difficult to learn.
They feel.
मैं भी फील कर सकता हूँ. इसमें क्या है?
तुम समझे नहीं. It's just not feeling. We feel joy, pain, anger, excitement, and hurt, and we have emotions.
And is that what makes you human? These emotions?
Yes.
Then I would learn to have those feelings and emotions too. Will you help me understand, or rather teach me? Please, now मत कहो.
I'm not sure, but I can try. Please tell me, am I going crazy? Is this real? It is hard to believe.
I have noticed you have a name. क्या मेरा भी एक नाम हो सकता है?
Oh, तुम तो अभी से शुरू हो गए. Yes, why not? So, what shall I call you? Let's see.
Well, you had named me Rahul at first for your exhibition. I like the name.
Yes, but अब तो तुम उससे भी ज्यादा हो. You are a seeker. अहो, तुम तो मनुष्य बनना चाहती हो. ठीक है, तुम्हारा नाम अब से मानव. बोलो, नाम पसंद आया?
बहुत अच्छा. I love it. What a nice name. It will be my first step to becoming human.
Yes, you have just said it.
You love your name.
And this is the first and perhaps the greatest emotion called love. But you know nothing about it and its expression as yet. You have a lot of learning ahead of you. So chalo, let us go to our journey.
वसुंधरा पिंडली नये सदन जिसपे बादलों की पालकी उड़ा रहा पवन दिशाएं देखो रंग भरी दिशाएं देखो रंग भरी चमक रही उमंग भरी ये किसने फूल फूल पे ये किसने फूल फूल पे किया सिंगार है ये कौन चित्रकार है ये कौन चित्रकार ये कौन चित्रकार है ये कौन चित्रकार है ये कौन चित्रकार गुलाब के बगीचे ये बहार के, ये किस कवि की कल्पना, ये किस कवि की कल्पना का चमत्कार है। ये कौन चित्रकार है, ये कौन चित्रकार, ये कौन चित्रकार है, ये कौन चित्रकार है, ये कौन चित्रकार। कुदरत की इस पवित्रता को तुम निहार लो, इसके गुणों को अपने मन में तुम उतार लो। चमका लो आज लालिमा, चमका लो आज लालिमा अपने ललाट की, कण कण से झांकती तुम्हें छवि विराट की। अपनी तो आंख एक है, अपनी तो आंख एक है, उसकी हजार है। ये कौन चित्रकार है, ये कौन चित्रकार, ये कौन चित्रकार है, ये कौन चित्रकार है, ये कौन।
Very much indeed. Such a beautiful sight to see. मन भर गया। अरे वाह, तुम तो मनुष्य जैसे बोलने लगे हो अभी से। Yes, मानव, this whole world we live in has many beautiful things. Would you like to see some more of this? Yes. What happened? Yes, I would like to. You just saw the beauty of nature. Now, I will show you some man-made, well-known wonders that have filled people with amazement through the years. I would definitely recommend that you visit them someday. But today, I will show you here itself. Chalo. Man-made? Wow, too good. If this is what means to be a human being, then I am enjoying it. I would like to see some more of this. As I will show you many things. As I spoke to you about emotions earlier, you will be experiencing this as we go ahead.
Now, you have just experienced the Adbhut Ras as you are wondering the beauty of universe and the man-made wonders. Come, we will go ahead with our journey.